Hello everyone, welcome back to another Spring Boot episode. In this episode, I'll be teaching you all about Spring Boot. Spring Boot is an open source Java development framework made for enterprise Java. In Spring Boot, it promotes plain old Java objects which make development easier. Spring has many benefits like it being lightweight, its inversion of control, its container management, its aspect-oriented programming, its MVC framework, exception handling, and its transactional management. One of the best topics about Spring Boot is its dependency injection. What is the dependency injection? The dependency injection is the main functionality provided by Spring inversion of control. It is responsible for injecting dependencies through either constructors or setter methods. These classes managed by Spring must adhere to standard definition of Java beans. Spring makes classes independent of each other and the container frees them from object creation and maintenance. Spring provides loose coupling between different classes and makes code easier to test and reuse. Alright, now let's learn the need for the dependency injection. Suppose there's one class that must rely on another class's object to instantiate a method. This might seem okay and the dependency between these two classes should seem fine, but this is very bad and it's bad practice because this can lead to failure of a program. So these kinds of dependencies must be avoided. For this we use the loose coupling between different classes by removing tight coupling between different classes. Tight coupling means when a class relies highly on another class or many classes. So with the dependency injection, it provides loose coupling which solves this issue. Spring resolves such dependencies by using inversion of control with the dependency injection. This provides loose coupling between different classes and it makes us easier to test and reuse our objects. What happens in the Spring inversion of object dependency injection is that we define interfaces with same functionality and instantiate objects by using the required implementations. So here the objects are configured according to the required implementation provided by us. So in the Spring Boot dependency injection, we can lessen the number of codes we write and we can easily efficiently work with our objects and classes and interfaces by having to do nothing because in Spring the container frees us from object creation and maintenance. So Spring Boot makes us easier to use our classes, constructors, fields and setter methods just like that. So this is about Spring Boot and the dependency injection. I hope to see you in another video with another Spring Boot lesson in the upcoming series. So I'll catch you in another lesson. Until then, goodbye guys.